Hello there. Today I'd like to share a little bit about our home care products. Did you know that Nutrimetics have a whole range of home care products that are naturally based and safe for your home and safe for your family? There's so many cleaning products out there in the market, and sometimes we have no idea what's in them or how harsh they are and what sort of issues they could be causing with our family, with allergies and allergic reactions. So with Nutrimetics, we have a beautiful range of products that are safe for your environment, safe for your family, and the cleaning job that you need them to do. So today I just want to share a little bit about those. First is our amazing, what we call our OLC. This is our multi-purpose cleaner. It can clean everything. It's made from the extract from the yucca plant. So it's a natural cleanser, and it's not got any harsh chemicals or toxins in it. It's safe enough to wash your fruit and vegetables. So what can you use this one for? Everything. You can use it to wash the floor, the dishes, the cat, the dog, the children, especially if they have skin that's a little bit sensitive and can react to lots of those bubble baths and that are out there. It's perfect. Or if you've got someone in the family who has sensitive skin, that you have to be really careful what they use. OLC is perfect for a bath or even in the shower. You can use it as a hand wash. But as I said, it's safe enough to wash your fruit and vegetables. So I'm just going to show you a little demonstration that I do with broccoli. So I'm not sure that you know, but broccoli gets sprayed about 7 or 8 times because it does tend to get lots of bugs on it. So when you buy your broccoli, it tends to look this bluish green colour. So what I'm going to show you today is it's important to wash your fruit and vegetables to get all those germs and pesticides and that off them. But sometimes you think you're washing them in water and does a perfect job. But I'm going to show you today that's not the case. So what I'm going to do is one piece of broccoli I'm going to wash in water. The other piece I'm going to wash with a tiny drop of our OLC, that beautiful pink liquid. So just put a tiny little drop in. So you could just do this in the kitchen sink, just push it around, and so this one's going to go just in water. So I'm going to swirl that one around, this one in the OLC, and you're going to be amazed at what happens. So can you see the difference in the colour? This is the OLC, this is the one in water. It hasn't changed colour at all. The other thing that's pretty amazing is when you pour water over it, this is the one that was just washed in water. I'm just going to pour a little bit of water over it, and you'll see that it just beads. It still doesn't run through the product, the vegetable. The one washed in OLC, when you pour water over that, it runs straight through. So you know that it's perfectly clean and safe for your for your family. So that's just one little demo I want to show you. So all your fruits and vegetables, just put them in the sink, fill it with water, a little bit of OLC, swish them around, pop them on a tea towel to drain, pop them in the fridge. Perfectly good for you to eat. One of our other products that I have to share with you is our Heavy Clean. Now this one does have a very small amount of ammonia in it, and it's particularly designed to clean grease and grime that's stubborn and hard to get off. I use this to clean my range hood over the stove, soak it in hot water with some Heavy Clean, a little bit of a scrub. Bob's your uncle, it's beautiful and clean and sparkling again. And I'm just going to show you what else you can do with this. You can use it as a pre-wash soaker, so you put it in a spray and white bottle. You use it like you would your Preen or any of those other pre-wash sprays. It's got biro out of a shirt that my son, a pen leaked everywhere. It got grease out of seat covers, and I'm going to show you a little thing with that. So you might be able to see, but this little piece of cloth, I went out to one of the bicycles, dragged it along the chain, and got some yucky grease on it. So I'm just going to use cold water. No need to use hot. Put in a little bit of Heavy Clean. Now you could, if it was a really stubborn stain, you could put a little bit straight on the fabric It will not take the colour out. So I'm just going to squish this around a little bit and we'll just see what happens. You can see already the water's going a bit horrid and dirty. So this is great if you've got you know, if you've got someone in the family that works with oil and grease and grime. It's great as a hand wash if they've been working on the cars and they've come inside and they're all dirty. So there we go. Little swirl around in heavy clean and it's all gone. Clean again. And have a look at the water. Oh, goodness me. Another use for your OLC is it all comes in a pack of wipes. The great thing about this is great for cleaning up hands, mushy faces when they've had those chocolate Easter eggs that they would have had last week. It's also great for quick cleaning of the bench top. It's fabulous on sparkly, you know, granite bench tops that sometimes tend to leave a lot of products leave streaks. It won't leave them all streaky. It's great on mirrors. I'll just show you what I mean with that. So have a look at this mirror. It's all a bit fingerprints and all over it. Quick wipe with your OLC wipe, or you might like to have a spray bottle made up with your OLC and a little bit of water. Wipe it over with a little polishing cloth. And there you go. Beautiful clean mirror. The great thing about it is too, it stops it fogging up. You know when you have a hot shower and the mirror was all foggy when you get out and you can't see where you're going? It stops it from doing that. So that's your uses for your OLC. We also have a laundry liquid. Now it comes in a 1 litre and a 5 litre. Both the heavy clean and the OLC also come in 5 litre bottles. So that's really great for the budget. And you can purchase a plunger. So the great thing about the laundry liquid, which is called our CLC, it's also biodegradable, phosphate free. It's great for, it can be used in septic tanks and biocycle for anybody who has those systems when they're not on town sewage. It has a natural whitener in it and it's also made with the yucca extract. So it's not going to clog up your washing machine. It doesn't have any fillers in it. I'll show you a little demo of this. This bottle here has soap powder in it, and that's been in there probably for about 7 years. It still hasn't dissolved. So can you imagine that sitting in your washing machine or what it's doing to it? This is what your CLC looks like. Just a beautiful clear liquid, and washes your clothes beautifully. Little tiny bit. So in a top load washer, you would probably, for the full load, you would only need 30 mils. In a front end loader washing machine, it's still perfect for that. It's low sudsing, so it won't bubble up everywhere. You probably use half as much. So out of a 1 litre bottle this size, you would get at least 32 washes. So it's really great value, and your clothes will thank you. They won't end up all peeled and with, you know, all ruined because the washing powder or the liquid you've used is full of harsh chemicals that's ruined the fabric. We also do have a fabric softener, which is just a nice fresh fragrance. Most people don't need to use a fabric softener. It's only if your water's quite harsh that you might like to use one. The great thing about ours is a lot of fabric softeners are made with vegetable fat. Animal fat, sorry, and so it tends to clog up your clothes, your towels and your washing machine. Ours is made with vegetable fat because we don't use anything from animals, which is another great thing. Cruelty-free company, always has been for the last 50 years. So really care about the environment and care about you and your family. So that's just a little bit about our home care products, and I hope that next time you're thinking about purchasing your products or you're not quite sure which one to use, have a look at the Nutrimetics site and you'll see which one's the best for you.